Chiquinha, chiquinha.
Go check out the room.
Chiquinha.
Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and then also hit the that little bell. That means you're gonna get notified of other videos that I do. So, okay, it's gonna go all the way down. And, oops. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna follow over this way a little bit towards the water, and then I'm gonna go by these bars over here. There's a little handful of bars. I never noticed that eye before. Okay. Yeah, it's pretty. So, okay. Let's see, I don't know if I can get across here very easily. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to walk down to this station, to this red and white, and I'm going to try to cross over, and then I'll give you a little tour of the bars. Okay, so I'll just show you those bars. Of course, it's 5:30 right now, so they're basically closed. This one turned into a car dealership. Used to be a little bar right there in the corner. But yeah, this is called Moonwalker. Looks like they're basically closed, but there's a few up here. But since I said I would include them, I will. So we'll just walk by the strip and then I'll conclude this video. But yeah, they're basically closed anyway, so you can catch some of the names. They basically just open up these, and then inside there's a whole bar all set up there. And every one of these is a bar, and then they'll put out chairs that go all the way across, just like these chairs here. But this whole row would just be all chairs, and then each one is connected to the bar. So like Pacific Wings will you know, basically have this space all the way up to about here, and they'll put tables out. This is the other one with tables out right now, so they're going to collect any customers that would come out. And you can see nobody is here right now, so that's probably why the other ones are closed. So, okay. All right. I guess we'll just conclude the video right there. So we concluded right at that spot. This is called Gold Coast Oyster and Seafood, if you're curious. And that's it.
Chiquinha.